Alright, it's the middle of August and my ankle is about 90% back to normal. Finally, I've been boogie boarding on it a little bit, taking it really easy. Not quite ready to skim still. I don't want to push it and end up hurting myself. So we're going to go down there and film my friends today. Got a GoPro with me and I'm going to do some follow cams on the boogie board. Pink boog. A lot of follow cams. A lot of boogie boarding for me. Hopefully we'll have another little session down here this evening. It's been super fun. It looks like there's people ripping right now. I can watch, I'm seeing people connect from down the beach. Yeah, it's gonna be good. All right, you guys. Hope you enjoy the POV boogie follow cams. That's what we're doing today. A bunch of boogie follow cams. All right, we're on. Here we go. Did you get a new skim on your birthday? No way. That thing looks so sick. How good did this board turn out? What? This board's insane. stayed on. How good's your YouTube channel, Gary? Give yourself a plug right now.
At Garrett Abdullah.
Give him a follow.
Best skimboarding videos out right now.
Especially with Blair out.
My plugging
He also
sucks.
does live.
With Blair out of the picture, it's Gary's time to
My
shine.
plugging sucks. I suck at plugging my channel.
Oh, web ski.
Watch this.
I missed it.
I did run out of time, faced with your advice to get back in line. I struggled to survive, weighed down by all your pride. Had to break my stride and get back on my feet, with nothing left to ensure. We can redefine the purpose of our lives. We can run and hide, but never out of sight. Was static by your side, strapped out for the ride. Now I'm not there no more. There's nothing left to ensure.
Squid. Timmy. Going squid. What? That's not easy. No way.
Purpose of our lives. We can run and hide, but never out of sight.
So, unfortunately, I had to sit today out. That was a little torturous filming my friends from the beach, but really fun to watch everyone shred. Timmy Gamboa, I think, got MVP today. He had a couple super sick ones. And so did Brad. A lot of good skimboarders down there today. It was really fun to watch. Excited to get involved in the action a little bit on the boogie board. That's the most I have run in a long time. The most I've been in the water in 4 or 5 weeks. So super thankful to be back in the water. And I think we're gonna hit it again tonight. See what we can who we can find tonight. Hopefully Sears will join us. Maybe his kids. Should be good. All right, we'll see you later.
Look at me.
Oh, can we let the slick Rick out?
Oh, yeah.
Hey, Benson. Look
Crazy
at,
job.
he barks at you, but then once you open the door, yeah, Rick will say hi though. He's friendly.
Hey, Ricky!
He's all happy. Watch, this is the best. You gotta.
Dude, it's so fluffy again.
Oh yeah, he's got the good haircut right now. Watch this, Rick.
Yeah. Yeah. Get it, Rick. Get it, buddy.
It actually, I think it's gonna get really pretty out in a minute. Here's what's gonna happen. Sun's gonna come down below those clouds. These are epic sunset clouds. High altitude clouds make for nice sunsets. So it's gonna get glassy, might even go offshore, and we're gonna have the most epic sunset you ever seen.
Can you do another one of those face plants I missed?
That wasn't a face plant. It's taking years to learn, Andre. Okay, I got you. Alright, it's like that perfect size.
You're good, ain't you? Oh, hello. What's up, what's up? How are those waves?
A little south wind, but something to play with.
Pretty much just did a wrap. Yeah, that was a nice one.
That was sick.
I kind of got in and out.
Did you get a good one?
Yeah, that was my best one of the night. That was a nice one.
Dude, you're right.
It turned out to be pretty sick.
The sunset was epic,
Yeah.
and the waves got a lot better.
Dude, it went from like being so horrible looking, like I didn't even want to get in the water, to like the most, whoa, how was that crap? That was a wave that just made that noise. That was gnarly.
It was on the boogie board,
No, it was a wave that just cracked like that. But anyhow, we went through. People are still getting seagulls.
Didn't see anything, but people are still getting seagulls.
Yeah. I'm pooped, dude. Gonna go ice the ankle and call it a day.
Okay.
Do it all over again tomorrow.